this one. We are going to wash them first. And then so we are going to place. This is what we are going to do. Add in our githeri and then we stir them. Oops, the sufuria is moving. So we are going to stir them together. So guys, after stirring them, this is how they look like. So we had our Royco cube, and we also remember to add our dania. So this is how they are going to look. So we're going to stir again. Yeah, we stir again for a little bit. And guys, if you prefer them just like this, you just take them out of the jiko. But guys, I prefer the dania to heat for some time, and guys, add some stew. So I like it with a stew. I don't like the githeri dry. So this is how I like them, with some stew. Yeah. Now I'm going to wait for the stew to boil. I'm going to wait for the stew to boil for some time. So look how delicious they look like. Yeah. So I'm going to wait for some time. So I'm going to cover. So guys, after 10 minutes, it's ready. And guys, you are ready to go. So we are going to put for her something to eat for lunch. So yeah, this is what we are going to eat for lunch. So